Folks, bowling is a spatial sport. It's all about angles and distance and direction and velocity. There's a little foot action from me there, trying to cause a disturbance in the atmosphere to knock over that last pin. Alas, it was to no avail. Here's another one of me with trying to wave my hand to affect the air currents. So bowling is a spatial sport. Just like many sports, there's lots of spatial thinking involved, whether it's golfing or billiards or swimming or soccer or tennis. Lots of lines, points, polygons, distance, direction, angles, calculation, thinking ahead, planning ahead, and executing. And bowling is no different. Watch some related videos I have on this channel about the impact of sports on geography and the impact of geography on sports, and also how you can use mapping tools like geographic information systems to analyze sports at a variety of scales. Thanks.
Yeah, baby.